this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Teams error code 107 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Microsoft Teams error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to network and internet, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Thereafter scroll down and you will find the option network reset. Click on network reset. Here your PC will be restarted. Reset now. Click on it. There may be a issue of network, so you must reset your network settings. And after that, follow on-screen instruction to complete the resetting of network process. And after that, check whether your Microsoft Teams error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search, type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once successfully execution of this 3DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. So you must execute sfc scan now command. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Microsoft 107 resolved or not. If not, check Microsoft Teams server status. To check of Microsoft services, open your Google Chrome browser in your system and here type Microsoft service status in the search field and press enter. Choose first appeared result as service status under Microsoft. Click on it and check whether Microsoft Teams server is up or down. Scroll down and you will find all the Microsoft services status. If you found server status of Teams is down, then wait till server status up. The next workaround to fix this issue is open control panel in your system. Here from the top right corner under viewed by, choose large icons, click on it and look for the option Windows Defender Firewall. Scroll down and click on Windows Defender Firewall. And here from the left side of control panel page, choose allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it and here make sure that Microsoft Teams is enabled under both the network public as well as private. So look for this, and if you found it not enabled, then simply click on change settings from the top right corner and enable both the feature under public network as well as private network. In my case, Microsoft Teams is not installed, so it will not available here. The next workaround is again, and here from the left side, click on apps. From the right side, click on installed apps. And here look for the Teams app, type Teams in search field and click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Teams and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So choose reset. And after applying both the option, click on reset again. This will permanently delete the app's data. If both the option not resolving your issue, then simply uninstall Microsoft Teams app from your system and install a fresh version of Microsoft Teams app through Microsoft Store. So uninstall it and reinstall a fresh version of Microsoft